right, go ahead and get up. Slowly get up.
On January 22nd, 2023, dispatch received a call about an uncontrolled vehicle that had hit the caller's house and destroyed their lawn. Here's what happened when the police arrived at the suspect's residence.
Stay in your car! Stay in your car! Get on the ground! Is there anybody else in the car?
No.
6'2", I got her at gunpoint. We're in front of 2299 Samara, 2299 Samara. She's on the floor. All right, go ahead and get up. Slowly get up.
No, thank you.
I'm giving you a direct order to get up off the ground and face away from me right now.
Absolutely, sir.
Turn around. Put your hands on top of your head. Walk back towards the sound of my voice. Put your hands on top of your head and walk back towards the sound of my voice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing just fine. Keep going. Hey, get back in the house. Hey! Come, face us.
I'm getting arrested.
Keep walking back towards us. Sir, get inside. We'll come talk to you in a second, please. Keep walking back towards us.
Walk backwards.
I'm sorry. Walk backwards.
Face away.
Turn around and walk backwards. Keep going.
Face away.
I have nothing.
Okay.
Yes,
Turn around.
I have nothing.
Turn around.
Please don't aggressively.
If you don't want to listen to our orders, then...
No, I do. I do.
They won't.
I'm sorry. I want to listen to it. I'm sorry. I'm not that person.
6'2", she's a 13.
I'm not that person.
Do you live here?
I do. This is my house. I came from my girlfriend. I had dinner with her.
Hey, get inside, and we'll come talk to you in a second.
So please come out here. Can you please come out here?
No, he's not coming out here.
Can you please come out here? Please come out here. I went to dinner with my girlfriend. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. We'll talk to you in a
I'm
minute.
not that person. I have nothing on me.
Yeah, that's fine. Face the car.
Absolutely, sir.
Take a step back for me. Take a step away from the car.
Okay. Absolutely.
Here's what the victim told the police.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Not too bad. So what part of your house did she hit?
Right there.
Okay. So did you guys hear it happen, or did
Our
you...
bedroom's right there,
Okay.
so it shook the bedroom.
Woke you up. All right.
Yeah.
And then, I'm assuming you came downstairs. What all did you see?
Saw the car sitting here. Next
Okay.
thing I know, she's revving it. I'm on the phone with 911.
Mm-hmm.
And he comes outside. He's telling her to stay put.
Mm-hmm.
But she backs up right here. And then next thing I know, he's like, she's leaving.
Mm-hmm.
She goes out that way and by the pine, on the other side of the pine tree there.
Okay.
That's
Like
out
right in
there,
between
and-
that box right there in the tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then goes down there then.
All right. So we actually have a couple officers that found the car and stopped the driver, and they have her in custody right now.
Okay.
So they're getting all her information, and they'll deal with that. 6'2"
I'm
RP.
absolutely listening to that. I'm sorry. I'm not that person.
Henry
You have
Adam
nothing
Victor
to worry about.
5163.
I have nothing on me.
Henry Adam Victor
I'm not.
5163.
You have no reason to be in my car. Please stay out of my car unless you have a warrant. But I'm not that person.
You had an accident.
What accident?
I don't know. Did you look at the front of your car?
I did.
Oh yeah, when you hit the house.
What house did I hit?
You've got plenty of front end damage on the front of your car, and when I got behind you with lights and sirens, you turned your lights off and pulled into the driveway to get away from me.
I pulled my lights into my car.
You pulled your lights into your car.
No, I'm sorry.
How'd your belt get undone?
Because I had to piss before I left the bar.
You didn't get it back up?
No, because I was going home. I had no reason to.
When you came outside and saw the car, was it like, did she hit the house head on, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
It
they,
was like angle,
okay.
kind of like.
Did you get a good look at the driver?
It was a female,
Okay.
and when she got stuck in there because she tried to get out this way,
Mm-hmm.
so she got stuck, and she got out of the car, and she was drunk. She just said, "I'm sorry, I don't mean it," and I just said, "Stay there."
Mm-hmm.
She got back in the car, and she keeps trying, and then she back it up, and then
That's the best we got.
Okay.
What, baby?
Is that like from a Ring camera or something?
Yeah.
Do you have like actual video of it hitting the house or anything?
No, because our camera's here, and this kind of.
Gotcha.
Officers found multiple intoxicants in the suspect's car.
Yeah, I'd say so. That's not good because you know what's crazy? I got hit by a drunk driver last night in my truck.
Yeah, well. So. Wow. Yeah. So it's gonna end up getting towed. Because she took away, or she took off from the accident.
Oh, yeah.
And we got behind off of it on this stuff.
13.
Blacking out and pulling in.
You have the right to remain silent, and if you say can be used against you in court,
Sir.
you have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning upon your request. You can decide to exercise these rights at any time and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand your rights?
Absolutely, sir.
All right, we're to you at about 2:35 or 1:35.
Is it 2 or 1? Do you know what time it is? All right, split your feet apart. Where were you coming from? What bar? Okay.
Copy, thanks.
Very well.
I would say it's going to be kind of hard to
She
get
have
that.
keys on it,
3:30 in the morning.
Yeah, I guess I don't know if she ended up. She said she was at the bar, right?
Yeah, she said she was at a bar in Kent.
Okay.
Well, tough thing, man. Part is I got 2 young kids.
Oh, PJ's going to the
Okay,
house.
cool.
Yeah.
All right, so if we need anything, we'll let you know. But there's gonna be a tow truck here.
Open that. First thing I thought, I was like, oh, what the hell? Just cookies.
Yeah, it's the animal cookies.
It's all pretty good. What's up?
I locked your doors, so you don't have to worry about fucking opening it. Yeah, what the hell is that? Oh, does it smell?
Yeah, close that. Is there anything in there that's important?
I don't know.
Here, double check.
I just saw a bunch of like.
Check her first. Is that what that smells? I don't smell it anymore.
Oh, dude, I got it.
Is that like banana?
Oh, okay, yeah, we're good.
Goodness gracious. That hit me hard, dude.
Usually it's that tree down there that gets hit.
Yeah. Has it been hit before?
Like, how many? 2 times? 3 times?
Oh, wow.
It flipped over a Tesla once.
Oh, that's the tree that right there, like
Oh,
the
yeah.
houses.
Yeah, people probably just not paying attention, texting on their phone or whatever. And yeah.
Okay.
So if you want a copy of the report, a couple different ways you can do that. We're going to do an accident report.
Okay.
It's also going to be a criminal report as well.
Is she okay though?
She's okay. Yeah. Yeah, she's in custody. She's under arrest right now, so we're taking her back to her station.
Okay.
I'm assuming she's probably drunk, so
Okay. Yeah, because
I don't know what all she's going to be charged with, but
because she opened the door and he kind of, she didn't fall out or anything, but she, that's when one was saying.
it's pretty
She's
obvious
drunk.
she was
She's drunk.
under the influence.
Yeah.
Okay. Did he mention to you, like, could he smell any alcohol or anything on her, or
He
just the
stood
way
up here
she was
and
acting?
she was over there.
Okay.
And that was it. Because when we were upstairs, I could hear the engine revving.
Yeah.
Because he was like, because we were trying to get the baby and stuff and bring her down, and I'm on the phone, and he's like, I was like, she's leaving. She's trying to leave. I was like, she's trying to back out. I said, I hear the engine revving. We come downstairs and he's screaming, yeah, she's leaving. She's leaving. She's trying to leave. And that's when we opened the door, and that's when he was saying, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Okay. And then she just kind of, like, backed out and went in between the
Yeah, she
electrical
went.
box and the pine tree right there?
Yep.
Okay.
And the next thing I know, she is
Took
Down
off
Maribend.
up Maribend. Okay.
She was soon transported to jail for processing.
All right, I'm going to have you get out, okay? It'll be easier if you get out, and then I'll pull it up. We're in our garage, so it's warm.
I don't have much room. It's above.
Pocket, that's why.
Can you pull it down to the wrist?
Okay.
I'm crazy. I'm sorry.
Good. I'll take the cuffs off here in a minute, okay?
I'm not that person. I'm not
Go that
going to
way.
cause you any problem.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. Just go that way. Face the glass. We're going to take your coat off here in a second.
I can't.
We're about to take it off, all right? Okay.
Here, take a step over the right. Over to the right. The right. The right.
To the right.
There you go.
I'm sorry, miss.
You grab a small property bag for all the carrying.
Yep.
Okay, lift up your tongue. Open your mouth, lift up your tongue.
Start over.
Okay, open up your mouth, lift up your tongue. Perfect. Alright, you can put the boots back on. Okay, you're good.
Your lights on. All right, Stephanie, I got to read some things to you. I need you to read along, okay?
Read along, absolutely.
You can start right here, okay?
Absolutely.
These are the consequences of test and refusal. Okay. All right, we got to wait a minute for this to finish up. What you're going to do is I'm going to hand you this hose with this mouthpiece on it, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take a very deep breath and you're going to blow, and you're going to hear a tone, okay? If you hear a...
What did you say?
You want me to start?
No, I'm going to blow. And
Yes, you're going to blow.
tone?
You're going to hear a tone.
Okay.
If you hear a steady tone, you're doing good. And I'll train you. I'll teach you through it how to do it right. If you keep hearing constant beep, then you're not doing it right. Okay. So you can take a deep breath and just constantly blow. If you hear that tone, you're good. It might suck. It might be hard. It might be running out of air, but just keep going. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, I'm gonna hand you that. Just like that. You're going to hear that noise. You're doing great. Fantastic. You'll blow a little harder. Keep going. That's good. Keep going. That's good right there. Keep going.
You have to keep blowing or it'll time out on you. You have to just keep blowing, keep blowing. It'll feel like you won't have any breath, but just keep blowing anyways. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Keep going, keep going.
We're almost there. It should be done
keep going,
soon.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
All right, go ahead. Go. Keep going. There you go.
Just blow slow and steady until you don't have any more breath, but keep blowing anyway.
Good. It's getting there.
So you want me to blow and keep the beat?
Yeah, I mean, if you hear that beep, then you're doing a good job. You were doing fine. It just takes a while.
You have to
I've never done this before. I'm sorry.
I know.
You hear the beat.
I know.
You just want to give a slow, steady breath and keep breathing.
He wants to hear the buzzard the whole time. That's what I'm saying.
That steady sound. You don't want to hear the beeping.
Right. So he wants to hear the the whole time.
Yeah, and you're going to feel like you don't have any air. Do you have to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay, come on in here.
The woman made a few more attempts at the breathalyzer test.
Remember, just a steady blow, okay? Ready? All right, go ahead. Good. Keep going. You got to blow a little bit harder than that. You want to hear that steady tone. Yep. Whatever you're doing when it does that, keep doing that. Good job. Just keep pushing out. It'd be easier just to hold on to that, put it in your coat pocket. So your money's in there, a copy of all the stuff we just signed. There's your belt. If you want to put that stuff down, you can, and put your belt on. I'm going to hold on to this for a second because there is a little knife on here until I drop you off, okay? You're not walking home. You're not walking home. Not in the condition you are in right now. If I drop you off at home and catch you walking outside, I'm going to arrest you again for public intox. You can't be walking around when you're drunk. You're clearly drunk. Okay? We didn't get a good sample on there, but you were double the legal limit. Okay? So you're hammered. You're not going walking around. Hey. Can I talk to you real quick? Yes, sir. You want a bit? No. That's fine, I don't care. So, she didn't want me to take her here. She wanted me to let her leave the station and walk to a gas station. Obviously, they're all closed, and she said she wants her cigarettes, but I told her if we catch her out walking around, she's going to get arrested again for public intox. So, just letting you know.
Okay.
Making sure she doesn't leave.
All right.
All right.
I will try my best.
I know. She's got all her paperwork.